circular economy is a model of production and consumption. It involves sharing, reusing, recycling, repairing and refurbishing of existing materials and products. By shifting towards a circular economy, we support a philosophy of no waste or pollution. We promote the reuse and recycling of products and materials throughout everything we do. Our plan is threefold: composting and recycling green waste into natural fertilizers, creating and collaborating for stricter and more sustainable procurement plans with our suppliers, moving towards a zero single-use plastic throughout all our operations. Recently, we were part of the pilot group of hotels to be enrolled into the Pledge on Food Waste, a certification program that has allowed us to improve significantly. Thanks to Foodwise, 65% of our resorts waste was not only diverted from landfills, but used to nourish our locally grown land and produce. Our sustainable procurement policy continues to evolve. Our purchasing teams strive to collaborate with suppliers to make ethical decisions and move towards a more sustainable approach of doing business. We have also pledged to prioritise local fruits, vegetables, poultry and seafood. We prioritise local produce because the carbon footprint of our food is extremely important to us. For other ingredients, we go no further than suppliers within the Indian Ocean. With our pledge against single-use plastic, we have begun the difficult shift towards more environmentally friendly products. Plastic is everywhere, but we believe in doing what is right, not what is easy. So far, we have avoided using over 27 tonnes of plastic just through our bottling plant in Belombe. We are excited to see the results of our efforts as we continuously improve by doubling down our commitments throughout the group.